You've just finished the inspection. You sat down, you took a minute, you looked at your checklist again, you went back and you caught everything you missed, because you will miss something. It happens to everybody. I guarantee you that owner's got a budget, and he sets his budget on this estimate because he only has X amount of money and he wants to spend it wisely. He's asking you to be professional right here. Okay, you reviewed your checklist. You've got your discrepancy list together. You now have numbers for everything. You're pretty happy with that. I want you to take all that information, head to your office. Make an official discrepancy list. Type it up, get it on the computer, print it out. Take that to the owner. He will appreciate your professionalism, how clean things look and how sharp things are. Do that every time. Fill out the form in the order of priorities. FAR 4313, each person performing maintenance, alteration, or preventative maintenance on an aircraft engine, propeller, or appliance shall use the methods and techniques and practices prescribed in the current manufacturer's maintenance manual or instructions for continued airworthiness prepared by its manufacturer, or other methods and techniques and practices acceptable to the administrator, except as noted in 4316. Current manufacturer's maintenance manual. To me, this is a very critical item. To get the correct assembly on order, most times you will have to go to the notes to find the breakdown. List each item, get them in the IPC, find each part. If nothing changes and everything goes as planned, you have a good estimate. Make a copy for the owner. Meet with the owner and discuss the condition of the aircraft. You must communicate with the owner. If there are things that need to be deferred, such as a broken item that is not required for flight, have the owner sign that discrepancy and date it. Even recommended items can be deferred. You can't force him to do any correction. If he refuses to correct an airworthiness item, follow the FAR's 4311A5. I certify this aircraft has been inspected in accordance with an annual inspection, and the list of discrepancies and unairworthiness items dated has been provided for the aircraft owner and operator. Present him this list and walk away. Really, that's what you must do. Now you have a list of approved discrepancies. Order all the parts. Get to work. The next section is ordering and receiving parts. Remember, this is just a portion of the inspection. If you want to see the entire inspection, go to ifmytoolscouldstalk.com.